Share Shares. In the next few minutes, you will hear why ETFs and how to use them in your portfolio. What are Share Shares? How Share Shares will provide investors easy access to Asian emerging markets through ETFs, and why choose Share Shares over other types of investments.
So, tell me why and how to use ETFs.
Well, Joe, you introduced the first ETF to Hong Kong with the Tracker Fund in 1999. ETFs have become extremely popular because they're transparent, flexible, and much easier to trade compared to mutual funds. Investors have many different uses for ETFs, and they can often be the same whether for institutional or retail investors. Typically, these uses include exposure to stock markets. This is achieved quickly with one purchase and cheaply with low fees, no loads. ETFs trade like a Hong Kong stock. You can go long or short any time. You can short a market by short selling an ETF, all with a call to your broker. Buy, sell, and short sell. ETF investments are as simple as a mutual fund, but no different from trading a stock, making investing easier. Yes, Mr. President?
Well, you know, I'm no dummy. So I know that around these parts, share means thank you. But what the heck are these shares? I never heard of them.
Well, I'm glad you asked. Share Shares are ETFs set up in Asia, invested and managed in Asia, and designed for Asian investors. Share Shares ETFs enable quick and easy access to Asian regional emerging stock markets. Share Shares ETFs are easy to understand, flexible to use, and transparent. And Share Shares ETFs are a relatively low-cost investment solution for investors. Share Shares track the local indices of 7 emerging Asian countries. We choose a local index because it's often more closely aligned to the interests of investors for that particular market, like the Hang Seng Index for Hong Kong investors. Share Shares are relatively low-cost investments. There are no loads when you buy and no penalties when you sell. The estimated total expense ratio is no more than 0.39% per annum of NAV, which includes the manager's fees, custodian and trustee fees, and the index licensing fee.
So who makes any money out of these darn things?
Well, as mentioned earlier, Share Shares trade like a stock, so normal trade costs are incurred, just like trading a stock. Share Shares are exchange-traded funds that have been authorized by the Securities and Futures Commission of Hong Kong. Share Shares has partners, including Citi as trustee, Citi, JP Morgan and RBS as participating dealers, PricewaterhouseCoopers as their auditor, plus the stockbroking community of Hong Kong. There's a lot of talk about full and synthetic replication. What's happening here with XIE Shares? Yes, it is a hot topic. In Hong Kong, we have the full replication approach and the synthetic strategy. Both offer different benefits and risk. Synthetic replication using unfunded swaps comprises a basket of liquid, high-quality, non-index securities called invested assets, coupled with unfunded swaps, financial derivatives issued by swap counterparties. These are reputable financial institutions who meet the selection criteria and provide the index performance. Similar to other financial derivatives, unfunded swaps involve counterparty risk. Utilizing this method, Share Shares investors enjoy lower tracking errors and lower costs. It improves efficiency and provides a reasonable balance between risk and cost. But why would I want to invest in a new ETF product over any other long-established managed fund? Well, ETFs have become extremely popular because they're much easier to trade compared to mutual funds, and they're more transparent and flexible. Share Shares offer a choice of 7 separate Asian emerging markets. Share Shares track these major local market indices using synthetic replication, minimizing tracking errors. Share Shares are Hong Kong Stock Exchange listed products, so you can trade them any day the exchange is open. They're easy to buy and sell. Share shares are authorized by the Hong Kong SFC, so can be offered widely to the investing public in Hong Kong. Share shares are relatively low-cost investments, traded in Hong Kong dollars. Now remember, shares ETFs trade like a stock, so you just select the market and amount you want to invest, then call your bank or broker. That's it. You can also visit our website for more information. Shares is simple. It's a no-brainer. Share.
Share shares.